Hello, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to this week update. We are starting with DXY as usual on the weekly time frame. So we're going to scale down to see what the market still holds. We don't want to be on the wrong side of the market. We want to be on the right side, and that is why we push this every week for us to understand and gain insight. Now, DXY is still winding down. We are yet to hit the low that we are aiming, and market has been consolidating superbly for over a month now, about a month and a half. But we thought again that probably market will still go up and do a big fall that may come to this, but there is no momentum to push the market higher. So we might not see a double correction of the fourth wave. I did a supplementary video last week thinking that we might see a supplementary fourth wave, but the way and manner this is going, I think that is being eroded as we approach this low. We are yet to take out that low at 9,700, but price is getting closer to it. And if you look, let me zoom. If the body, by Sunday managed to close below this resistance, you can see these three clusters of weekly closure price action. The body had, not managed to close below 97,727. But for the first time, we are seeing the body pushing, lower. So if the body closes below this resistance by Sunday, then it means that we can almost confirm that the price will continue to go down and the dollar is going to remain weak for a while. Now let's turn into the daily time frame to see what the price is doing. Now we can see again, it has been lower low and lower high. Now that we are seeing from this top, we can see this is lower high and this one is also lower, lower, and lower. And the price is grinding lower. After this price action here, price went up to correct, and this may be the limit of correction here for us to begin to see more downward side. We need to take this out. That told us that I think I counted it on the lower time frame. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. I think I did tell us that let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see this price action that looks impulsive, and this has been corrective so far, and this is grinding lower. So breaking this low will mean that we are grinding much more lower. So we need to take this low then to attack this low. Now, in terms of wave count, after this low, I say this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I said if the 8 usually will continue the trend, once we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th, the 8th should continue with the trend. So, and it might look like the 8th will continue the trend, except this is turned into A, B, and a C for more upside, except that. But for now, I don't see that happening. Why? The reason being that if we take this as a W and what is coming to the downside as an X, what has it done? Have we broken below 76? We may have done that on some other couple of instruments. So coming from here, going to this top, price had broken, this is 76 here, price had broken 76, price is at the fringe of 78.6. It has broken 76.4, but breaking this properly, this low here, will signify that, that is off the table. We can almost confirm that this is off the table and the price will be going down. So we need to see more. But now I would not recommend anybody buying DXY. Whatever you can see here is that on Sunday, the price may just continue downward, and we'll see how that will close on Sunday. Like I said, that body, you have to look at it. If it's below 97.727 on Sunday, once the market opens. So let's go to euro dollar. Euro dollar on the 4-hour also is printing the same thing. This might be the low that we can get for now here, and this has been corrected to the downside, and the price seems to be going up again. So probably we'll see little correction, more upwards, little correction, more upwards, until we break here and successfully break 17,900. So once we break that, the price is back up. So price is grinding to the upside, and we can see that it is lower or higher low that we are seeing here, higher low so far, and it's been giving us higher high also, and the price is wedging to the upside. And so that is where the momentum is. To sell without proper, sell action, price action will be dangerous. So we look for more upside as we get the setup to go further up. So for now, if you don't want to be quick, well, I think if you want to protect your account, this is where we expect the stop loss to be for now. You don't want to rush this one. You want the price to push higher. So once the price breaks this structure to the upside, then the stop loss comes to this area. Pound USD. Pound USD is also the same, except we're going to get a double correction to the downside. For now, the momentum remains a little correction, more upside until we break this and this. So going into next week, we are looking for a bit of correction to the downside and more upside. NZD USD. NZD USD is same, also is breaking higher, so we need to take out this. So once price takes this out, it means we are going further to the upside. So we may get a little more correction to the downside, just a little, or a pullback and more upside. In all, I won't be looking for a sell, I'll be looking for a buy. USD JPY. USD is super consolidating, so and we need to be more careful with USD can it do a double? Can this be an A and the one in the middle being a B? So without breaking this top now, without breaking 149, 143, price may continue to fall from here or still grind up some more, but that will be all that the price can do between here and here. If price would break this top between here and here, we'll see more downside. That is what we're going to get for now. Euro yen. Euro yen. Now, Euro yen is still grinding, more to the upside. After we reached the end of the fourth wave here, A, B, C of the fourth wave, and the price is not going any further downward. So we are seeing the ending structure cooking with wave 1 here and wave 2 in this place. We are within wave 3. This may just be wave 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3, and this will be grinding up higher. So we need to see what this one is going to give us. Once we break this top, then we'll see what price will give us. We are almost there. All yen pairs are actually consolidating and wasting time and waiting for a big movement. That is what we are getting. So the last one is gold. For gold, now, I think this is just the internal fourth wave of this particular wave 3. This is wave 1. This is wave 2 of the ending structure. And I don't think that we are done. This going up might be the fourth wave of 3 and the fifth wave of 3 to complete 3 before we get a similar correction like this for a wave 4 and we go up one more time. The reason why I will still say that is because we are yet to break out of the trend support here. So I don't believe that we have done it with a major 4, something like this. This is probably the fourth wave of this wave 3, like 1 and 2, and probably 3 and 4 here. So I hope you saw that 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. Let me bring out the drawing for us to understand what I'm saying. So we are yet to break these. So we need to break out of here. You can see like 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and the price is grinding to the upside. So I believe that we need to do 3 here, like the 3 and 4 here. So we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to finish probably around this area as 5 green, 5 pink, and 5 yellow, and with 3 probably will end around this area. So if that happens, then we have done 1, 2, and the 3, and we should have the fourth wave before we rise to do the last fifth wave. And after that, then we'll see what the price will do to come down. So price will still climb and get, wave 3 will probably finish around 37,000 plus. And then we'll see what we get. But for now, if we are going to get a double correction to the downside, we'll see. We'll still need to take out this area. Let me just use red here. We need to take out that resistance. Yeah, we need to take out that resistance at 36.59. We need to take out 36.59 to know that we are back upwards to finish up with 5 here. and 5 of 3, and then we'll now begin to see a deeper correction of 4, something like this. And that is when you can now plan to, to buy again. For now, you don't want to buy from here. You don't want to also sell now. You want to wait for structure to tell you what to do next. So with that, I've come to the end of this week update. We've been riding from low for gold. I've had well over 4,000 pips to the upside, and you must know when not to trade, when to watch for market to unfold before you plunge into the market. So that's what we do. So do have a great week. Bye.